This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tally invoice in Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook. You'll want to set up your basic invoice structure by defining columns for details like item description, quantity, unit price, and total amount. Make sure to format cells for currency and dates correctly to ensure accurate data entry. This initial setup is crucial for a professional and functional invoice. Now, let's automate the calculations. Input formulas to automatically compute the total amount for each item based on quantity and rate. Then, create a grand total formula that sums all item totals. You can also add cells for tax, perhaps at a rate like 5%, and any discounts, ensuring your invoice updates automatically. This saves time and reduces errors significantly. To make your invoice look professional, customize its appearance. Insert your company logo and all necessary contact information at the top. Utilize borders and subtle shading to separate sections and improve readability. Clearly state your payment terms, such as net 30 days, and any other conditions. A well-designed invoice reflects positively on your business and professionalism. Once your invoice is complete, save it as an Excel template. This allows you to reuse the structure easily for future billing without starting from scratch. You can then print the invoice or export it as a PDF to send to your clients, ensuring a professional delivery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This final step ensures your hard work is preserved and ready for distribution, making your invoicing process smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.